Rapid Detox, the right solution to addiction? Also known by the name Rapid Opiate Detoxification, ROD, Rapid Detox is deemed throughout the health industry as an instant solution to drug addiction. It is applied as a medical treatment for those who are addicted to opiate like methadone and heroine, and all kinds of illicit drugs. It works for detoxification simply by purging the system in a literal sense, eliminating the body's craving for such highly addictive substances. The rapid detox is a medical treatment that is only performed by the medical experts. Yes, it is so serious and can be dangerous when not handled properly. It is for this reason that today the rapid detox procedure is conducted by medical specialists with the use of anesthetics. It lasts for only a matter of hours, and is only supported by certain maintenance programs like the Naltrexone. This specialized therapy is often applied prior to the counseling. What happens during the rapid detox process? Under the anesthetic procedure, the patient is administered by certain medications that are highly capable of eliminating the narcotics which build up in the nervous system. During this process, the patient is expected to show certain signs of a sudden and instant withdrawal. Nevertheless, during the stage, the patient is insensible, then making him or her incapable of feeling all the anguish of that sudden withdrawal. Right after the withdrawal, the patient is treated with Naltrexone as well as Naloxone. Both of these materials are deemed safe for patients and can alleviate the withdrawal symptoms associated with rapid detox. When these safe drugs are applied, the normal withdrawal associated with rapid detox can be reduced from 5 or 6 days to about 5 or 6 hours. Yes, the rapid detox is that instant. After the treatment, the patient is expected to feel a much lesser signs of withdrawal, but the patient will continue to improve, losing his or her craving for opiate. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it does. However, some of the positive claims for rapid detox are all but for money's sake. Clinics offering it have claimed that it's the #1 solution for addiction. They continue to say that rapid detox is so safe and just needs hours to complete the procedure. Fact is, rapid detox, just like the rest of the detox practices, has its own risks. Several reports have already noted that many addicts treated with rapid detoxification died in the process. Some cases, though, are related to heart attack and other heart problems. With the risks associated with the procedure, it is still not safe to say that rapid detox is truly the right solution for drug addiction. Although it is so popular in the United States and the rest of the world, it is still best if the matter will be considered as careful as possible. After all, the life and future of the addicts are important.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.